Good morning, class 11th. Welcome all of you in my English literature. Dear students, yesterday I gave you explanation of the passages from the lesson The Browning Version. Tableau was waiting at school to whom Mr. Croker hails. But he was late, 10 minutes late. It was announced by young teacher, science teacher Frank. Frank also advised Tableau to keep away from the place. He had enough time to enjoy before Mr. Croker Harris arrived there. But Tableau didn't courage to leave the place. Why? He told he couldn't do like that. He would have to beat Mr. Croker Harris. He was very strict teacher, but he was not a sadist. Sadist means a person who enjoys in beating, in paining the others. Mr. Croker Harris had not such quality. By nature, he was strict, but internally, if anybody tries to know him internally, he will find sure that he was a very sympathetic, very logical person. He had always good thinking, good ideas for his people, for his students. Tableau, along with other students, was too much afraid from Mr. Croker Harris. Why? Why? Because he was a reserved teacher. He didn't involve himself like other masters in the students. You can take science teacher Frank, who always enjoyed the students' company, never tried to separate himself from them. He always shared his views, his thinking with them, and very friendly he accompanied them. But Croker Harris was very reserved teacher. He tried to know, always tried to know about the students, their good side and both sides, both. Whenever he find any fault, surely he punished the student in an educative way. He never gave, never hurt mentally any student. Only psychological hurt, according himself, should be given in order of improvement. Like this, he always did. This is why, due to his strictness, there was lot of fear. Every student had fear in the heart for Mr. Crocker Hales. Up to here, please revise all the passages what I explained today. Try to create few questions from them and give proper answer in your own words. Don't avoid to do this, dear students. If you do, while explanation, while reading the lesson, if you mark sensitive portion, that will be very easy to store the answers of every type of questions from the lesson. You will never suffer to attempt any type of question related the lesson, related the same lesson. Thanks. Have a nice day. It's my hope you will read passages explained by me today, and you all will try to get few questions. After that, you will note in your notebook. Don't forget to bring answer from the lesson and send me those questions, answers to me. Thanks. Have a nice day.